Trading options on Robinhood with a small account is entirely possible, as long as you're smart, strategic, and manage risk effectively. To get started, you'll need to enable option trading in the Robinhood app, which can be done by opening the app, clicking on the profile icon, then tapping on the line menu and selecting the investing option. From there, scroll down to the option trading section and tap the button to enable it, following the on-screen instructions to complete the process. Once you're eligible for option trading, it's recommended to start with low-risk strategies such as cash-secured puts or covered calls. A cash-secured put involves selling a put option on a stock you're interested in owning, but you'll need to have enough cash to buy 100 shares if the option is assigned to you. A covered call, on the other hand, involves selling a call option on a stock you already own. For example, if you sell a put option on a stock at $7 with $700 in your account, you'll get to keep the premium if the stock stays above $7. And if it drops, you can buy the shares at $7, which can be a win if you wanted to own the stock anyway. It's also a good idea to stick to cheap options, looking for stocks under $10 with small premiums between $10 and $50, and expiry dates between 1 week and 2 weeks. Examples of cheap options include stocks like AMC, PLTR, or Sophie. As a small account trader, there are some tips to keep in mind. Avoid zero-day expiry options until you have more experience, and don't go all in on a single trade. Instead, use a small percentage of your portfolio for each trade and take the time to learn about option behavior, including concepts like delta and theta. Additionally, you can use Robinhood's profit preview feature to get an idea of the potential profit before placing a trade.